Welcome to the home screen. On the home screen, you can view a wide variety of data about your steps and other walking data. For instance, here on the home screen, you can see that we have a total steps of 5,237 for the day out of our step goal of 9,000. If you need to see your step data for any recorded days previously, simply tap on the calendar in the upper right-hand portion of the screen. From here, you can select on any day that you have previous walking data and view. You can pull open the settings menu at any time in the upper right-hand corner by pressing the gear icon. On the home menu, you can view your total steps, your distance walked today, the amount of time walked today, and the amount of calories burned today, just by simply looking at one easy screen on the home screen. And lastly, if you would like to access any previous day's data, all you have to do is simply swipe left or right on the home screen to view a previous day, or once again, use the calendar icon in the upper right.